Okay, hi guys, welcome to a 1000 subscriber giveaway video. We're really happy that we reached 1000. That's a big milestone for us. And that means that we now have access to the community features of YouTube as well. So that's great. Yeah, we're doing a little bit of a giveaway to celebrate this. So we're giving away 3 times 25 euro Steam gift card. And if you want to win, go over to kekdot.com/giveaway. Just sign up there. All the details are there. We're going to announce the giveaway next week, Wednesday. And to be eligible to win in the giveaway, you also need to join our Discord server. Link down below. So yeah, guys, just it's great reaching 1000 subscribers, and we did it, I think, fairly quickly because we started in February. So I think that's fairly quickly. And yeah. A lot of more cool videos are coming very soon. So be on the lookout for those, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.